Updating your payment method on BlackLine is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log in. Access your BlackLine account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure connection. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Management section. Look for an option labeled Payment Settings or Billing Information. Step 3. Select Update Payment Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter new payment information. Input your new payment details, such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Double check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm and save your changes. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on BlackLine. Make sure to review your payment settings periodically to keep your information up to date.